Hey, you're back in the cage. What a stupid bird. Man, I thought I would have learned my lesson first time. And look at how stupid you are. You get so tired. Man, it's like you have no brains. You must have a brain the size of a pea or less. Look how... Man, you could have just went under. What's your problem? Man, you're stupid or retarded. That's what it is. You're retarded. It's like you like doing that to yourself. Man, you were almost out. Look how close you are to being out, and you keep flying up like a jackass. You deserve to die. Know that? You're as crazy as a lunatic. Look, that close. You know what?